Chapter 2. When Aditi didn't smile. Learning objectives. 1. Understanding the importance of friends in life. 2. Caring of your friends. Warm up. Write 4 points on how to be a good friend. A good friend is who supports you, forgive you, admire you, and stand by you all the time. I will be a good friend by Aditi and Rajat were good friends. They had so much fun together. They sat together in the class. They ran races on the way home. They were always cheerful. One day, Aditi came into the classroom slowly. She did not look at anybody. She looked sad. "Did someone scold you?" asked Rajat. Aditi shook her head. She sat down and did not look up. She did not even answer present when the class teacher called out her name. The teacher called out again, louder this time. "Aditi saying." Aditi raised her hand. "Do you have a sore throat?" the teacher asked her. Aditi shook her head. Her cheeks were red and it looked like she had a fever. "Are you feeling okay?" the teacher asked. Aditi nodded, still not daring to look up. "Why does Aditi look so sad? Is your little brother okay? Is your puppy okay? Is your grandmother okay?" Aditi kept nodding her head to each of her friends. But she did not look up. Rajat wanted to make her smile. He had an idea. He took out something from his bag. As he ran to show it to Aditi, it slipped out of his hands. Aditi saw something flying towards her and she grabbed it. It was a big green rubber frog. Aditi's eyes flew open. Then she opened her mouth to laugh. Only then did Rajat and her other friends see why she had not smiled or talked all day. 4 of her front teeth had gone missing. Find meaning. Cheerful, happy. Scold, speak to someone angrily. Sore, painful. Daring, having the courage. Nodded, moved the head to say yes. Grabbed, caught. Flew open, opened wide. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. I am Niru. I go to City Star School and I study in class 2A. I enjoy school as my friends love me. How do you feel in school? Share one thing which you like the most in school. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Color the boxes to describe Aditi's best friend. Selfish, fun-loving, cruel, kind, rude, cheerful, caring, thoughtful. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. It is time to know more about your best friends. Find out the answers to these from 2 of your best friends and write them on sticky notes. Name, birthday, speaks languages, has pets, special talent, logical decision making. Aditi and Rajat are best friends. Imagine you were Aditi's friend. What would you have done to make her happy? Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Who is Aditi's good friend? Answer. Rajat is Aditi's good friend. B. Why did Aditi come into the classroom slowly? Answer. Aditi came into the class slowly because she was sad. C. What did Rajat do to make her smile? Answer. Rajat had an idea to make her smile. He took a rubber frog out of his bag. When Aditi grabbed the frog, she started laughing. D. Who has a sore throat? Answer. No one had a sore throat. Find their meanings. A. Slipped. To slide accidentally and fall or nearly fall. B. Missing. Lost or not in the usual place. C. Sore. Painful. D. Scold. Speak to someone angrily. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Aditi and Rajat were good friends. B. She didn't even say present when the teacher called her name. C. Aditi nodded her head for every question asked to her. D. Aditi opened her mouth to laugh. Tick the right options. A. Aditi kept dash her head to each of her friends. 1. Nodding. 2. Smiling. 3. Talking. 1. Nodding. B. She shook her dash. 1. Head. 2. Hands. 3. Mouth. 1. Head. C. She didn't smile because dash of teeth had gone missing. 1. 3. 2. 4. 3. 2. 2. 4. Match the following. Column A. Eyes flew open. 2. Raised her hand. 3. Shook her head. 4. Look up. Column B. To tell present in class. Eyes open in shock. Admire. Nod your head to signal approval. Eyes flew open. Eyes open in shock. Raise her hand to tell present in class. Shook her head. Nod your head to signal approval. Look up, admire. Communication, writing skills. Imagine you're Aditi. Complete this thank you note for your friends. Date, the name of your friends. Thank you so much for all for cheering me up when I was sad. You all are my good friends. Thank you for making me smile when I was sad. I hope we stay together always. Your loving friend, Aditi. Reading skills. Choose one of these activities to go alongside your reading book each day. In a nutshell, write a 10-word summary of the pages or book you have just read. Dear Diary. In first person, as the main character, write a diary entry about the main event. Sam, I am. How are you similar to the character in the book? How are you different? Create a table. Word detective. Find 10 words that you are unsure of the meaning and using the sentence, find the definition.